This is Ross.
Yes.
With regard to a hearing item number 15, on behalf of my senior FLL Angliana, I would like to make a mention with this item.
What do you want?
May this matter be taken up after vacation.
You are the amicus?
Amicus.
As prayed for on behalf of Mr. F. Lalangliana and amicus curie, relist after the ensuing vacation on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Daily list for admission, item 1.
Yes, Mr. Joding Sangha.
Yes, my lord. Mr. Gupta is going to appear, I think.
Huh?
Gupta is for the respondent, my lord.
Where is he? He's not there. Yes,
My lord, he'll be there, my lords.
you are appearing
Yes, I am
for
appearing, my
the-
lords, on behalf of my lords. He's on his way, my lords.
Huh?
He's on his way, my lords.
He's on his way. Where is he?
Lordship. Lordship, he went actually downstairs. He'll
Okay,
come.
okay.
Lordship.
What about the affidavit? The last opportunity was granted to the respondent number
Lordship,
7. Have you filed it?
Yes,
Mr.
sir,
Jodang
Lordship.
Sangha, has any
No,
affidavit been filed?
I haven't received any affidavit.
Yes, what happened to the affidavit?
Lordship, actually, the incumbent Lordship has left. Actually, the senior who has to file the affidavit is changed, actually, my lords.
This the changing
The
business is
newly
going on a
implemented
lot.
Lordship, respondent number 6 and 7.
The
has to file
contempt matters are getting suffered because of all this.
Yes, my
Lordship.
This is a matter from 24 going on. By now the affidavit should have come.
Yes, sir. Lordship.
Where has he gone? If required, we'll ask him to be in court.
Lordship,
Before he left, he should
I'll
have
call him.
filed the affidavit.
Yes,
Mr. Gupta,
I'm sorry, my lord.
that's okay. You first gather your breath.
My lord.
Gather your breath and then answer what happened to the affidavit that you were supposed to file today.
My lord, the earlier affidavit was filed by respondent number 4. And my lord, the additional affidavit was directed to be filed by respondent number 4. But my lord, that incumbent has now retired. So my lord,
What about 7? Last opportunity granted to 7?
7, my lord, 7 has also, my lord, been transferred and changed. 7 was, my lord, Hitesh Jaiswal. He is now no more, my lord. He is
He's
been
no more,
transferred.
he's expired.
No, he has been transferred.
So transfer doesn't discharge him from contempt. Transfer doesn't discharge him from contempt, Mr. Gupta.
My lord, but the affidavit now has to be filed by the present incumbent because the
You see,
petitioners
Mr.
have
Gupta,
pleaded, my lord.
You see, Mr. Gupta, please be mindful that
They
this
have
is a
implemented
contempt jurisdiction.
My lord.
You may be right in saying that
My
now
lord.
the new incumbent is also required to be impleaded. That of course an appropriate application once Mr. Jodang Sangha is aware of the change he will do. But nonetheless, the transferred or the retired incumbents do not get automatically discharged from be showing
Yes, my
cause
lord,
to
they
the
do not
contempt
get-
petition, because you see these are not
My lord.
normal writ petitions where some notice is sent and they just have to file an affidavit. It's a contempt
No,
notice that has been served upon them to show cause why contempt will not be initiated against them. In response to such notices, one cannot simply sit over it.
My lord, but the affidavit has to be
you have
filed by
appeared, you are appearing on behalf of respondent number 7.
the respondent number 4, my lord.
What about
I am
7?
appealing on behalf of others also, my lord, subject to, my lord, the affidavit, Wakalatnama we cannot file because again that incumbent has changed. I am on behalf of respondent number 4 now, my lord, who has already filed affidavit. And in terms of earlier order, he was required to file an
Mr.
additional
Gupta,
affidavit.
please tell us one thing very clearly, and I'm going to record this submission of yours. Are you appearing for respondent number 7? Yes or no?
7 is not there, my lord. 7 is.
My lord, if we look at
We have
order
to
dated
transfer-
7/8/2025, he have already submitted that he will represent all the respondent. Order
Yes, I have submitted, my lord, but 7 is
August
now.
2025, my lord.
7.
August 7/8/2025.
Ritesh Jaiswal, he was newly needed, my lord. He replaced respondent number 5,
7,
5
8.
earlier. Earlier,
Yes,
my lord,
7
respondent number
August.
5 was
August
Dinesh Kumar.
25?
Yes, my lord. 7 August. For making correction also, he took 3 months, my lord, just to make correction for respondent number 7 to 4, my lord.
I'm not getting this 7 August.
7 August, my lord.
This is 8/4/25 and then it is 19/5/25.
7/8.
Then it is 10/6/25. Oh, this is 7/8. What is this, Mr. Gupta? You've been making contrary submissions before the Constitutional Court. On the 7th of August, you said you have instructions to appear for all, including 7.
Yes, my lord.
However, you stated that you will be filing wakalatnama within a short period of time.
Yes, my lord.
And,
that is
and
correct.
then you were also directed to correct the cause title of the affidavit that he has filed on behalf of R4.
That has been corrected, my lord.
But it was written, because inadvertently it was written R7.
No, that has been corrected.
done. So you have specifically submitted that you will appear for R7.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Today also I am saying that I have made that submission, my lord. But R7 is now no more, my lord. He has been transferred.
So-
now I cannot file wakalatnama on behalf of him. At that point of time, he was
Mr.
there, my lord. As
Gupta,
per the instruction.
First of all, I do not understand how you can appear for these persons in the government departments without there being any wakalatnama being given to you. Because
That's
they
all,
are
my lord.
not,
On
Mr.
instruction,
Gupta,
I
please
appeal.
listen to the court first. These are not normal writ proceedings. Here they have been arrayed by name. In a
Ma'am.
contempt jurisdiction, it is very important that the contemners appear through their own lawyers. I do not have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
problem of any panel counsel appearing for a contemptor. But if you appear for a contemptor, you must be armed with a wakalatnama and you must take full responsibility for that contemptor. You cannot be
Yes,
making
ma'am.
submissions before this court at your own whims and caprice. This is not the kind
On the
of practice,
instruction.
Mr. Gupta, this is not the practice that is expected from a council of your level. Because these are contempt jurisdiction. I appreciate that you've been trying to assist the court, but you have to appreciate that because of a situation that has come up now you can't appear for this respondent number 7. Had at that moment he was appearing through wakalatnama, then we could have got hold of that law counsel. Now we don't know who is respondent number 7. This contempt proceeding is hanging now. Just because he has retired, he has transferred, does not discharge him. The contempt notices are not going to be meant to be taken so casually. Are you understanding what I am saying, Mr. Gupta? I do not doubt your intentions. I appreciate your intention that you want to assist the court. But you have to understand that at the end of the day, these are contempt proceedings. If you want
beg
to
apology
appear for a
for that.
contemptor, you must first have the wakalatnama. Just merely they
Yes.
are employees or they are government, central government employees doesn't mean because you are a penal council, you are a CGC, you will start appearing for everyone.
No, my lord, I appeared on instruction, my lord.
So
Since
on
the
instruction means you must be armed with a wakalatnama.
My lord, yes,
Because
my
you
lord,
see
that
on 7th of August you made this submission. Today you are saying now I can't file the wakalatnama, I can't get hold of respondent number 7.
yes, my lord.
And
That is
today we are in the month of December,
Yes,
November, end of December,
That is
end
right.
of November. This was in
Yes.
August 24, sorry 25.
Yes, ma'am.
And you see the matter is now hanging.
My lord,
Which is
with
the, Mr.
regards to
Jodham
the
Sangha, which is the order by which last opportunity was given to respondent number 7?
Okay, 17/11/25.
17 November.
17.
November. The previous court date, my lord.
And before that, very seriously it has said. And before that is the 21 November.
Yes.
I'm not getting that order. 21?
17/11 is the last order, my lord, that they've sought for submission of affidavit, my lord.
20?
This November, my lord.
There is one of 1711
Yes.
and then. Oh, okay, got it.
But from his submission, he didn't submit any vakalat naman, my lord, that's why. For R7.
And who is the R7?
R7 is the deputy chief engineer, my lord. Hitesh Jaishwal. Notice has been completed. Notice has already been completed, my lord. in
What
respect
is
of-
completed?
Yes.
What is completed?
Notice, my lord.
R7 is
Hitesh Jaishwal. It's page 10, my lord.
page. Yes. He is the deputy chief engineer. Yes, now where is R7?
Lord, he has been transferred, my lord.
To
He is
where?
now in, my lord, Jammu and Kashmir, my lord.
What is the post he is holding now?
Deputy Chief Engineer, same post, my lord.
Deputy chief engineer,
Yes.
JNK.
Yes, my lord.
How do we secure his appearance? Will direct summon?
No, I can take a wakalatnama, my lord, if my lord insists, my lord.
Mr. Gupta,
My lord.
few minutes before you said it is now since he is transferred, you cannot file a wakalatnama on his behalf. I correct
No,
me
my lord,
if I have
absolutely.
heard you correctly or not. Mr. Jodang Sangha?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mr.
you have
Johnny,
correct
no?
name. Yes, yes. That is
Mr.
correct.
Johnny, did you hear that?
Yes, yes, yes. yes.
We all heard that. And now you're
No,
saying.
since my lord has insisted on his appearance, my lord, I can,
It is,
because my lord, when I approached the department,
Gupta, it is not about
My
this
lord,
court
will allow me to submit,
insisting.
my lord.
Mr. Gupta, this is not about the court insisting the appearance of respondent number 7.
My lord
It
will
is
allow
a
me
contempt
to express my
proceeding.
difficulty. My lord will allow me to submit my
Yes,
difficulty, my lord.
yes.
I have approached the department, my lord, asking for the wakalatnama. Thereafter, my lord, they have informed that since this incumbent is no more in the my lord present post, my lord, they will not be able to produce.
Very
So
good.
far as the
We'll
filing of the
record that
affidavit,
submission of yours. Yes, please take down.
and my lord,
But
one more
Mr.
submission, my lord. The issue involved, my lord, is pending before in a division bench matter, my lord,
That I have seen.
which is
Heard Mr.
H.
H. Jodang Sangal, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. Harish Gupta, Learned Counsel, appearing for, yes, now tell me, appearing for which respondent contemners?
my lord, respondent number 4.
Appearing for respondents
Number 4.
stroke,
my lord.
respondent stroke contender number 4. Pertinent that none appears for the respondent numbers 1, contender respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7 on call. Pertinent
My lord,
more that
Respondent
on
number 1, my lord, we have filed wakalatnama recently. I have been informed by my junior, my lord. 1 and 4, my lord.
1 and 4, huh? The rest. Pertinent that on 7/8/2025, Mr. Gupta had categorically submitted before this court that he, on instructions, will be that he has instructions to appear for all the respondent contemners, including respondent numbers 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. He had also categorically submitted before this court that he will be filing the wakalatnama within a short period of time for the remaining respondents stroke contemners. It appears that thereafter the matter came up on on 22/9/2025, on which date this court, upon hearing the parties, was of the prima facie view that respondent stroke contender number 4 has attempted to take advantage of a writ appeal belatedly being filed to justify the non-compliance. It appears that on 16/10/2025, prayer was sought by Mr. Gupta for filing an additional affidavit on behalf of respondent number 7, and also to make necessary correction in the previous affidavit, which inadvertently was stated to have been filed by respondent number 7 instead of respondent number 4. It appears that thereafter on 13/11/2025, when the matter had come, further 1 week time was granted upon the request of Mr. Gupta to file the additional affidavit and also to take necessary correction in the previous affidavit. Stop. No, don't say that. A last sentence will occur. It appears that on 13/11/2025, there was no representation on behalf of respondent number 7 on call. And it was also noticed that there was no additional affidavit or corrected affidavit filed on behalf of the respondent number 7 till that date. And accordingly, this court granted one more opportunity to the respondent number 7 to ensure appearance on his behalf on the next date fixed. Accordingly, the matter was posted on 17/11/2025. On 17/11/2025, Mr. Gupta, learned counsel, appeared on behalf of the respondent stroke contender number 7 and submitted that the respondents request an accommodation till Friday to file their affidavit and to bring on record in accordance with earlier order passed by this court. It further appears that on that date, this court reluctantly granted time to the respondents till 21st November 2025. Accordingly, the matter was posted today. However, it was clarified that in the absence of any affidavit on record on behalf of the respondent number 7 on the next date of hearing, this court shall view the same seriously. Today, when the matter was called, Mr. H. Gupta, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent stroke contemptor, submits that during the pendency of the contempt proceeding, respondent number 7, when was he transferred?
My lord, the dates exactly I don't
Was
know. My lord, I have
transferred to Jammu and Kashmir as Deputy Chief Engineer from the present post of Deputy Chief Engineer, Construction, Kanpui, KWNI, Northeast Frontier Railway, Kanpui, Mizoram. Upon appointed query as on which date he was transferred, Mr. Gupta is unable to inform this court. He further submits that since Sri Harish Jaiswal, the then Deputy
Hitesh
Chief
Kumar.
Engineer, Construction, Kanpui, Northeast Frontier Railway, Kanpui, Mizoram, has been transferred out from the said post, the department is unable to give him the wakalatnama to appear on his behalf. He further submits that he has also not been able to procure the wakalatnama on behalf of the remaining respondents stroke contenders. It appears that the contempt proceedings have been very casually treated by the concerned contenders. I responded number 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. It is clear from the office note that service has been duly completed on behalf of against the aforesaid contenders stroke respondents. Despite having received the notice from this court to show cause as why contempt shall not be initiated against them for non-compliance of the judgment and order dated 15/5/2023 passed by this court in WPC number 47 of 2023, they have not bothered to give power to Mr. Gupta or to engage any other lawyer and or appear in person before this court pursuant to the receipt of the contempt notices. Mere transfer of Sri Harish Jaiswal, the then
No, it is
Deputy
Hitesh.
Chief Hitesh Jaiswal, the then Deputy Chief Engineer, Construction, Kanpui, Northeast Frontier Railway, Kanpui, Mizoram, to Jammu and Kashmir shall not automatically discharge him from his liability in the aforesaid contempt proceedings. if by the next date of Mr. Gupta request for posting this matter on another date, by which date he shall inform the aforesaid contemners, respondent contemners through the department. Stop. Reluctantly, this court grants the aforesaid prayer, however, makes it very clear that failing any appearance on behalf of the aforesaid contemners stroke respondents 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7 on the next date of hearing, warrant, then a summons stroke warrant as required shall be issued against the aforesaid contemners to ensure their appearance in the... No, don't say all that. Don't say all that. I think I will give personal appearance to respondent number 7. Let him appear.
Yes, madam.
And we'll see
Lord,
on that
I-
date.
Lord, we will file, Lord.
1 second, Mr. Gupta. Hey, Gupta, here to carry.
Lord, we will
Noticing,
file, my lord, we will file.
noticing that on the last occasion, this court had made it clear that in the absence of any affidavit on behalf of respondent number 7, this court shall view the same seriously, comma, this court directs the respondent number 7 so and so to be personally present before this court on the next date of listing, either through physical mode or through virtual hearing mode. Stop. He, however, also is given liberty to file the affidavit so directed and or being represented by a legal counsel of his own choice. Relist on such and such date, give a date. Mr. So and so, Gupta, shall also communicate the order to the department concerned to ensure that the respondent number 7, Shri so and so, is informed about the, is furnished with a copy of this order and is informed about the consequences of not appearing before this court on the date fixed. Let registry also communicate a copy of the order of this court today to so and so. Yes, you give us number and some detail. You have it? Mr. Gupta?
My lord, I will inform, my lord. His details, my lord, I will take it, my lord. Can, my
You
lord,
take it and you
I will
inform
inform.
it. You inform it to Michael, to you.
Lordship.
How can he inform? He is not here.
Lordship, Mr. Gupta's junior has my number.
I am told by my court master, Michael,
Yes.
that your junior has Mr. Michael's number.
Yes,
So,
yes, my lord. I will
Mr.
share it, my lord.
Gupta's office shall also inform the court master of court number 2. This is 2.
Yes.
Got two, yes.
Court number 2 about the contact details of Shri Hitesh Jaiswal for the registry to do the needful. I am telling you, do whatever you want to do.
My lord, I will ensure, my lord.
Give a date.
9th of December.
Yes. Much obliged.
Oblige, my lord.
For orders, item number 2.
Mr. Jodang Sangha, in the meantime, you see if there has been a transfer, then you might have to bring the new incumbent. Mr. Gupta, you also share the details of the new incumbent to Mr. Jodang Sangha.
I will.
Yes, yes, my lord.
I will,
Because,
my lord.
That
I
is a
will
different
share.
chapter.
Yes.
It is also Mr. H. Jodang Sangal and so and so is also at liberty, if so advised, to file necessary application to bring the new incumbent to the post to Didima R7 on record.
Any respondent,
lord.
my lord, including any respondent, like not only.
And any other
Respondent.
My lord,
any
I-
other new incumbents as advised. Will you
Yes,
go?
my lord.
Yes, yes. My lord, can the date be fixed on 16th, my lord? Because some,
16th is
Lord,
a
I-
holiday, Mr. Gupta.
Here, our working days is still 12, my lord.
15th, my lord. 15th, my
No,
lord.
no, the courts here is closing from
12,
12. 12 is the
till
last
12.
working day.
My lord, then it can it be on 11th, my lord?
11th is okay?
Yes, yes.
11th?
My lord.
All right, 11th.
My lord. Obliged.
Item 2.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a criminal appeal. Then by filing this criminal appeal, there is a delay of 273
Mr.
days.
Johnny,
Lordship, yes.
you were not able to serve a copy or
Lordship,
something?
yes. There are as many as 3 accused respondents, and respondent number 1 already died, Lordship. Then I have already annexed the death certificate.
Respondent number
R1.
1,
Lordship, yes.
he died.
He died.
Then
Respondent number 2, it's already completed. I've already filed the affidavit.
service completed.
Lordship, yes.
And R3?
And R3, regarding R3, I was directed to serve to the concerned police station, and we have taken step, the department had taken step, then I have filed the additional affidavit. So I have filed on 13/11/2025.
No, but is there any report?
Yes, your report is at page 7, Annex 2. Additional affidavit filed on 13/11/2025.
Is this the one? 6 August, 13th November, 23rd
13/11.
January. Which is the date?
13/11/2025.
Yes.
Page, lots of the Annexure 1, page 5 is the order passed by this honorable court. At page 6, Your Lordship, second last paragraph, I was directed to, also page 6, second last paragraph. As such, it is directed that notice upon respondent number 3 may be routed through the concerned police station for service of notice upon him, petitioner to take steps for service of notice as mentioned above. Then, in compliance with this honorable court order, then I have taken steps. Lordship, at page 7.
No, but then a report has to be
Yes,
there.
Lordship, at page 7.
The
Then we,
step so and so was shifted to unknown location of Aizawl city.
Aizawl.
Now what? Oh, this is that day it had come. So now what can be done? Where is the APP?
Lordship, I am the special PP.
Oh, you are the special.
Yes, yes,
PP
I'm
here.
for the Union of India.
What can be done?
Lordship, just what, as far as my humble knowledge is concerned, Lordship, newspaper publication may be
Yes,
appropriate.
I
Otherwise, we are not able to trace.
Because
So
it doesn't say that he has gone out of Aizawl.
yes, it
He
says that
shifted
unknown
to
location of
unknown
Aizawl
location
city.
of Aizawl city
Lordship, yes.
since 2015. All right, you give that. Uh, heard Mr. Johnny so and so, learned counsel appearing for the applicant. This is the condonation, na?
Lordship, yes.
Applicant, none appears for the respondents on call. It appears that service in respect of respondent number 2 is already completed. However, there is no representation on behalf of respondent number 2. I'll not say about 1, it is already said.
Already said, Lordship, I've already filed the affidavit.
It appears that as far as respondent number 3 is concerned, this court had directed the learned counsel appearing for the applicant by order dated 29/7/2025 to route service through the concerned police station for service of notice upon him. Accordingly, the petitioner took steps of service of notice through the jurisdictional police station by filing an additional affidavit on 13/11/2025. It has been brought on record that the officer in charge, Champai Police Station, Champai, Mizoram, was unable to serve the notice as the respondent number 3 has shifted to unknown location of Aizawl city since 2015. Stop. Having considered the report submitted by the jurisdictional police station, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the applicant, is permitted to take service through paper publication in in two papers, in two dailies,
Lordship, yes.
one local and one in English
Lordship, yes.
and one in English, having wide circulation in the district
Aizawl
of
city. Aizawl.
in Aizawl, in Aizawl, in the district of Aizawl
No problem, Lordship, because yes, no problem.
or Aizawl city, because we
Aizawl
don't
city
know.
because it says that unknown location of Aizawl city.
In Aizawl city. Relist after so and so 2-3 weeks, and affidavit of service is permitted to file affidavit of service accordingly. Huh?
That's right.
15th of January 26.
Be there for the Constitutional Day celebration.